Dear student, in this video we will learn the solution of Cauchy's homogeneous linear equation and Legendre linear equation. It is the last concept of the module 2. A linear differential equation of the form x raised to n into d raised to n into y divided by dx raised to n plus a1 into x raised to n minus 1 into d raised to n minus 1 into y divided by dx raised to n minus 1 plus so on n into y is equal to pi of x. It is equation number 1, where a1, a2, a3, an are constant and pi of x be a function of x is called homogeneous linear differential equation of order n, or it is also called as Cauchy's linear equation. So this Cauchy's linear equation can be converted into linear differential equation by substituting x is equal to e raised to z or z is equal to log x, and x into dy by dx is equal to dy, x square into d square y by dx square is equal to d into d minus 1 into y, x cube into d cube into y divided by dx cube is equal to d into d minus 1 d minus 2 into y up to nth term x raised to n into d raised to n into y divided by dx raised to n is d into d minus 1 so on d minus n plus 1 into y. So substitute x dy by dx, x square y double dash, x raised to n into y raised to n in equation number 1. It reduces to a linear differential equation with constant coefficient. It can be solved by using the earlier method that is studied in the video. An equation of the form ax plus b raised to n d raised to n y divided by dx raised to n so on plus a and y is equal to pi of x, where a1, a2 are constant and pi of x is a function of x is called homogeneous linear differential equation of order n, or it is also called as Legendre linear differential equation. So Legendre differential equation can be converted linear differential equation by substituting ax plus b is equal to e raised to z or z is equal to log ax plus b, and ax plus b y dash is equal to a dy, ax plus b square y double dash is equal to a square into d minus 1 into y. So like that you put all the value in equation number 1, we get linear differential equation of order 1, then solve by using earlier method. In the previous video we learned. So let us solve example. Solve x square into d square y by dx square minus 2x plus solve x square into d square y by dx square minus 2x into dy by dx minus 4y is equal to x raised to 4. So if the equation is in the form of like this, that is x raised to n d raised to n is there, then it is Cauchy's. If equation is of the form ax plus b raised to n d raised to n y divided by dx is there, then it is called a Legendre. So this is a Cauchy's differential equation. The given equation is, we can write x square y double dash minus 2x y dash minus 4y is equal to x raised to 4. To convert linear differential equation, we know the procedure. Put x equal to e raised to z or z is equal to log x. Then x into dy by dx is dy, x square into d square y by dx square is d into d minus 1 y. So put these value in equation number 1, we get x square into d square y by dx square means d into d minus 1 into y minus 2 x dy by dx means dy minus 4y is equal to, here x is there, x value is e raised to z raised to 4. Next simplify this. So d square minus 3d minus 4 into y, it is e raised to 4z. So it is linear differential equation of second order. It is non-homogeneous. Find the roots as well as particular integral. So e raised to 4z means it is type 1. So this particular type 1, it is find the complementary function. Therefore auxiliary equation is m square minus 3m minus 4 equal to 0. Therefore roots are 4 comma minus 1. Therefore complementary function is c1 e raised to 4z plus c2 e raised to minus z. To find the particular integral, pi of x divided by f of d, e raised to 4z divided by d square minus 3d minus 4, replace d by 4 or put d is equal to 4, we get e raised to 4z. If you substitute here, the denominator is 0. If the denominator is 0, multiply x is there, we have taken z variable, so multiply z into e raised to 4z, differentiate the denominator with respect to d, 2d square differentiation is 2d, minus 3 differentiation is 3, 4 will be the 0. Again replace d by coefficient of a, that is 4, put d is equal to 4, we get z into e raised to 4z, 2 into 4 minus 3, we get z into e raised to 4 divided by 5. Therefore, the general solution of the equation contain complementary function plus particular integral. So solution is c1 e raised to 4z plus c2 e raised to minus z plus 1 by 5 into z e raised to 4z. Put the value of x and z. Put x equal to, put e raised to z is equal to x, then z is equal to x. Make in terms of x. So y is equal to c1 e raised to 4z means that is x raised to 4 plus c2 e raised to minus z means x raised to minus 1 plus 1 by 5, z value is log x, e raised to 4 means z means x raised to 4. So it is a required general solution for the Cauchy's equation. Let us solve one more example. X square into d square y by dx square minus 3x into dy by dx plus 4y is equal to x plus 1 bracket square. So it is in the form of x raised to n, d raised to n. So if it is in the form, it is a Cauchy's linear differential equation. The given equation, it is written here, then it can be converted linear differential equation by substituting the x equal to e raised to z or z is equal to log x. Whenever x is there, you put e raised to z. Then if it is log x is there, we put the z. Then put x into dy by dx equal to dy, x square into d square y by dx square is equal to d into d minus 1 into y. So put these four values in given equation 1, we get x square y double dash means this is d into d minus 1 into y, minus 3 as it is, x dy by dx means dy plus 4y, x means e raised to z plus 1 whole square. And then if you simplify this, we get d square minus 4d plus 4 is equal to x pound a plus b bracket square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then it is a non-homogeneous differential equation. Find the complementary function plus particular integral. To find the particular integral, it is e raised to form constant. So all the RHS is type 1. So find the complementary function as and particular integral. So to find the complementary function, we write auxiliary equation m square minus 4m plus 4 equal to 0. On solving, m is equal to 2. Therefore, complementary function is c1 plus c2z into e raised to 2z. To find particular integral, pi of x divided by f of d. Pi of x is e raised to 2z plus z into e raised to z plus 1. F of d is d square minus 4d plus 4, or it can be written as d minus 2 whole square. Then here three terms are there, separate term. E raised to 2z divided by d minus 2 whole square plus 2 into e raised to z divided by d minus 2 whole square plus 1 into e raised to z or e raised to 0z, e raised to 0z divided by d minus 2 whole square. You try to solve the particular integral you learned in the previous video. So it is particular integral 1, particular integral 2, particular integral 3. So solve one by one. Particular integral 1, e raised to 2z divided by d minus 2 whole square is there. So it is type 1, d is replaced by coefficient of z, that is 2. If you put d is equal to 2, the denominator is 0. If the denominator is 0, multiply z, then differentiate this, multiply z e raised to z. If you differentiate means it is in the form of x square, that is 2x. Then differentiation of d is 1. Again replace d by coefficient of z, that is 2. If you put d is equal to, again it will be the denominator is 0. If the denominator is 0, again multiply z. Already have multiplied z, so z into z will be z square e raised to 2z. Then differentiation of this will be the d will be the 1, it will be 0, 1 into 2 will be the 2. It is a particular integral 1. Then second particular integral is 2 into e raised to z divided by d minus 2 whole square. So replace d by coefficient of z, that is 1. D is equal to 1. Put here we get 1 minus 2 is minus 1 whole square, that is plus 1. Therefore particular integral is 2 into e raised to z. Then the third is, this is third, 1 is there, 1 can be written as e raised to 0z divided by d minus 2 whole square. We get 1 by 4, means replace d by 0, minus 2 square is 4, 1 by 4. Therefore particular integral is z square by 2 into e raised to 2z plus 2 into e raised to z plus 1 by 4. Therefore general solution is y is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. We get y is equal to c1 plus c2z into e raised to 2z plus z square e raised to 2z divided by 2 plus 2 into e raised to z plus 1 by 4. Put e raised to z equal to x or z is equal to log x. So because we have converted in terms of z, now convert in terms of x. This is the solution. Y is equal to c1 plus c2 log x into x square plus x square into log x whole square divided by 2 plus 2x plus 1 by 2. So it is a Cauchy's differential equation method to solve. In the next we solve the example on Legendre differential equation. Solve x square y double dash plus x y dash plus y is equal to 2 sine log x. So to convert linear differential equation, put t is equal to log x. In the previous we have taken z, here we have taken x. E raised to t is equal to x, x y dash is dy, x square y double dash is d into d minus 1 into y. Put these value in equation number 1, we get d into d minus 1 into y plus dy plus y is equal to 2 sine log x, means t, 2 sine t. After simplification we get d square minus 1 into y is equal to 2 sine t. It is non-homogeneous equation. Find the complementary function as well as particular integral. To find the complementary function we use f of d, write in the form of auxiliary equation, m square plus 1 is equal to 0, m is equal to plus or minus I. Therefore complementary function or yc is equal to c1 cos t plus c2 sin t. To find particular integral, pi of x divided by f of d, that is 2 sin t divided by d square plus 1. It is type 2, so replace d square by minus of a square, minus of a square is minus 1 square. If you put minus 1, the denominator will be the 0, so that multiply x, here you have taken t, multiply t, then differentiate the denominator, 2t into sin t, differentiation of d square plus 1 is with respect to d square differentiation is 2d, 1 will be 0. So 2 to cancel, remaining is t sin t divided by d. So you know that 1 by d means integration, the reverse of differentiation is integration. So t as it is, the sin t integration is minus cos t. So yp is equal to minus t into cos t. So put t value, that is log x, minus log x into cos into log x. Therefore general solution contain yc plus yp. Similarly we solve the examples on Legendre differential equation by using the standard substitution. The method is same. If the function in the form of ax plus b is there, we use the Legendre differential equation. So this is the example on Cauchy's differential equation. Thank you.